Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Sean coming at you from High Level. I wanted to do a quick demo of a couple of things that are coming up in the near term. So in front of you, you can see what is going to be our funnel split testing. Now this isn't live quite yet, but it will be live before the end of the quarter. So that's before the end of this month. I just wanted to give you a quick breeze through here. You can see you can create variations. You can duplicate the control page. You can create a blank page. And then once the actual test is running, you can see here the split test is running. We have a couple of UI updates here. Obviously, you can choose the traffic split that you want to have, and then I guess also in the stats here. Looks like that's that's what happens when you try to do live demos. But in the stats, it'll show you exactly kind of what the results are from an opt-ins perspective and a sales perspective and that kind of thing. So this is super cool. This is the upcoming split testing. And then let's take a look at email rebilling. Okay, so on this one, it's pretty simple. I've just got a screenshot here. You can see down here right next, this will be in the same section as the SaaS configurator. You can see over here on the right-hand side, it'll say email resell settings. And then just like with Twilio, you'll be able to very quickly and easily enable disable, as well as obviously define all of your margins. This will work for both Mailgun as well as any SMTP that you might be running as well. So it's a pretty simple addition, but I think it's a very cool and useful addition. And again, this actually should be out in the next 2 weeks. So that's coming as well. So that's a really cool update. Just wanted to show that to you. And real quick, I've got one more demo, and let's take a look. Okay, so this is going to be me kind of like ad-libbing the video here, but in the workflow builder, we're going to be adding the ability to add the AI Eliza bot on the pro accounts. So let's take a look here. What's going to happen is, in this case, the engineer is actually just creating a basic workflow, new workflow, nothing new there. But then over on the right-hand side, what you're going to see is a new, we skipped it. There it is right there. Add appointment booking AI bot. So you'll have this the ability to actually add it in as a workflow action. So notice when they add it, you're going to see here it'll ask which calendar you want it to read from, because obviously we're trying to get a booking here, and then you'll be able to set that option. And they're doing a really good job behind the scenes explaining all of this. So I'm just muting them, but you can see also you can tell the bot how long basically to sit there and try to process the message. And the idea here is basically you're maybe texting out, hey, would you like to book an appointment? And then they're responding. And then the question is, how long do you want that bot to sort of hang around and listen to that conversation? Maybe that'll be forever. Maybe that'll only be for the first 10 minutes. It's just a configurable option. And then you can actually set it up so that if you didn't previously send that first message, you can actually use this as an all-inclusive flow to also send the first message. So in this case, you can see that they're setting it up to actually do that and send out the first message. And for those of you who haven't seen this before, let's see if we can skip ahead here and see the actual flow in action. Okay, so right here is, think about this as almost like your phone. This is actually the texting side of things on the phone number side. And you can see it says, hello, how are you? Do you want to book an appointment? And then what you'll watch is now he's going to respond, and then the bot is actually going to interact and talk back. So you'll see this is a text again, like going out on your phone, and then it's going to go back to the Eliza bot. The Eliza bot's going to be watching and listening, and then the Eliza bot's actually going to come back and start conversating with him and start working through that actual flow. Now, keep in mind, this is on a staging server, so it's going to be the response times are going to be a little slower. So you can see here what date and time works for you. He's going to say tomorrow. Then the bot is going to go and again check the calendar and then fire back on this request. And then we're going to see it say, great, what time do you want to come in? 3 p.m. It'll actually check the calendar, see tomorrow at 3 p.m. is that actually available or not? And then if it is available, it's going to go ahead and confirm the time. And if not, it actually will then propose additional times. And then in this case, you can see they've actually, that time's available, so just ask them to confirm it, actually goes ahead and confirms the time, and now it's actually going to book in that real appointment all the way through, and then confirm it. We've booked you, look forward to meeting with you. So the idea here is really just conversating that booking flow all the way through and adding that as an option in the workflow builder. So pretty cool